I don't have many regrets, but one of them is the time I was unable to help my friend make a complete ass of himself. An empty warehouse sat at the edge of our town for years, and then Costco showed up and said, "We can convert that into a store." They did, and the place is so large, they were able to turn the shipping bay into indoor parking. My buddy and I went to the grand opening. He saw the place and started complaining. "I can't believe they built indoor parking. What a waste of materials. I should write a letter to the editor about wasting resources." I agreed with him. Yes, you should write that letter. You should build a webpage. You should start petitions. Get the word out there. I hounded him for a month. "Did you write that letter yet? Did you write that letter yet?" And then he said, "Did you know that used to be a warehouse?" Yeah, dumb fuck. Everyone did. It's funny and sad how the loudest voices are usually the least informed.